आयतारा पणजी मतदारसंघाच्या पोटवेंचणुकेचें मतदान 75.25% जालें. 22,485 पणजेंत मतदार आसात. तातूंतल्या 16,924 मतदारांनी पणजेचो प्रतिनिधी वेंचपा खातीर मतदानांत वांटो घेतला. 2017च्या वेंचणुकेक जाल्लें मतदान पळयल्यार हे फावट कमी मतदान जालां. जाल्यार फाटले पोटवेंचणुके परस चड मतदान जालां, अशी माहिती उत्तर गोंय जिल्लो अधिकाऱ्यान पणजेंत घेतिल्ल्या पत्रकार परिशदेंत दिल्या.
During the mock poll, there was no EVM found fault, so there was no replacement of EVMs during the mock poll. The total number of electors is 22,482, which is 10,697 male and 11,785. This is the total electors, of which the total number of votes cast is 16,924. Male female count. Male female voter. The total votes cast is 16,924, which is 75.25%. The total voters 8,119 male, 8,799 female, which is 75.25% of the total electors. The highest turnout was in booth number 16 with 89.86% votes cast, and the lowest was in booth number 15, which is 63.96%. At 6 p.m. there was no queue in any of the polling stations, so at 6 p.m. the poll was closed in all the 30 polling stations. As for the replacement of machines, in one polling station, that is polling station number 5, the entire set of BU, CU and VVPAT was replaced at about 1:45 p.m. In another two polling stations, at polling station number 6 and 9, only the VVPAT was replaced. In polling station number 6 at about 5:20 p.m. and in polling station number 9 at 11 a.m. the VVPAT was replaced, one because there was a paper fall error and other because there was a VSDU error. The total number of PWD voters who were tagged was 115, of which 101 PWD voters have come out and cast their vote, which is 87.82% of the total PWD voters. So we had, as I explained yesterday, we had done specific trainings to the PWD voters and tried to motivate them to come and vote. We feel that those efforts have been successful, because out of 115 PWD voters, 101 voters have come out and voted. Largely there was no incidents. There were minor complaints of crowd gathering within the 200 meters of the polling station. Immediately after we got these complaints, the security forces were alerted and we ensured that there was no such gathering around the polling stations. So largely it was a peaceful by-election with 75.25% voting.
Can you tell the previous percentage?
See, the last general elections, 2017 assembly elections, for Panji Assembly constituency it was 78.38%, and that was including the postal ballots, and excluding postal ballots it was 77.05%. In the by-election of 2017 it was 69.98%, and the present by-election it is 75.25%. So as compared to the by-election of 2017, which was 69.98%, it's increase because it is 75.25% now. We received a complaint on the NGRS portal that one voter was intimidated by a BJP party worker from preventing from voting. Immediately after we got the complaint, we tried to find out who that voter was, and through our sector officers, flying squads, and also with the assistance of the police, we found out the person, a lady who was reported to have been intimidated, and it was confirmed that she had already casted her vote. So we had called for an inquiry at the level of the RO and also at the level of the DEO. An inquiry has been initiated. We have called the lady who was reported to have been intimidated, and it has been confirmed that she has cast her vote. To that extent, there is no complaint of intimidation as long as everybody has voted. And since the complaint had come about a particular party worker, we have inquired the party worker also. We have summoned him and we have recorded his statement also. So we are given to understand that we need to record few more statements, which is underway. So we are conducting a complete inquiry into the matter. Nevertheless, to this extent that no voter was intimidated or prevented from voting, because the complaint what came also, the name which was told to us that that particular voter was intimidated, it has been confirmed that she has already cast her vote. The inquiry is underway.
But was she intimidated?
So that's what I'm saying. The inquiry is underway. So we have started the process. We will be concluding the inquiry with all the facts. But as of now, there was no voter who was prevented from voting because she has already cast her vote.
And which booth was this?
The complaint was from polling station number 30. Dempo College.
पणजेच्या पोटवेंचणुकेक पणजेकारांची सेवा करपा खातीर राविल्ले उमेदवार सिद्धार्थ कुंकळकार, बाबूश मोन्सेरात, सुभाष वेलिंगकार आनी वाल्मिकी नायकाचे आमदार जावपाचें स्वप्न सध्या तरी पणजेच्या मतदारांनी बंद मतदान यंत्रान दवरलां. पणजेच्या मतमोजणीचो निकाल हेर वेंचणुकेच्या निकाला बरोबरच 23 तारखेक जाहीर जातलो.